Are you hungry today? Hello friends, this is Yunda. This is just a share from my own reading in the scripture. I am sharing this with you to give you some thoughts for today. We all can be hungry of different things. Spiritual hunger, food hunger, emotional hunger. We all can feel hungry. Are you feeling hungry today? As it says in Matthew 5:6, blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. How hungry are you to live a life that honors God? Do you want to walk by faith badly enough to not hang around friends who pull you down and cause you to compromise? But I like being with them. But why you compromise with them? Are they hunger like you? You don't want it badly enough. God is not going to free you until you slip away from their influence. Choose the right friends and neglect the toxic friends. When He sees you doing all that you can, He'll make things happen that you can. But if you're not willing to do the natural, He's not going to do the supernatural. Your destiny is too important to spend it with people who are not making you better. Who are you allowing to influence others, your life? Are they inspiring you, challenging you, pushing you forward? Life is too short for you to waste it with people who bring out the worst in you. To hunger and thirst for righteousness means to put God first in everything, to pursue Him with your whole heart. When you stir up your passion and diligently speak Him, your life will be filled with His presence and blessing. In the key of this is being grateful. Thank you that I can come to you by faith, knowing that I seek you and hunger and thirst for righteousness. You will provide everything I need. Thank you for the blessing and favor that are mine as I keep you first place in my life. I believe that I will be filled with your presence. Yes, we all can be hungry of spiritual, emotional, and of course, the physical hunger, which we are hungry for food. But remember, we cannot live by bread alone, as it says in the scripture. So therefore, we need the spiritual, we need the emotional, we need the physical as well. And how can we fill up our hunger? When you're really filling up your mind with spiritual food, believe me, everything will follow. Your life feel filled. You are feeling fulfilled. When you choose to fill your mind first with spiritual food, everything will follow. You are feeling good. You are feeling satisfied with yourself. But this is me, and I am only sharing this with you because this is how I live and survive life of difficulties here. I don't have a family. I don't have a husband who can help me. I have to survive all on my own. And by the grace of God, I survive it because I find the spiritual food is very important for me. So when I am hungry, even I am hungry with food in my stomach, I always make it sure that I feel my hunger of spiritual needs first. I have to kneel down for a word of prayer when I arrive at work, thanking God for everything, thanking God for what He blessed me all throughout the day. Of course, I am hungry. I am tired when I come home from work. I am hungry of food. But first, I have to kneel down for a word for prayer. I have to fill up my spiritual hunger first so I can feel good, satisfied, and content of myself. And therefore, I am sharing this with you, what it says in Matthew 5:6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. You will live a fulfilled life when you fill up your spiritual hunger first. This is Yundan. Thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and I thank you for your support of my channel. And bye-bye.